Hi, and what we have here today is Harley Davidson lithium battery. Seems that part number is 6600302, and it is some 7 ampere hours capacity and 600 amperes max current. So huge current. According to codes, seems that this battery was made in 2021 and now is 2025. So 4 years and the battery was dead. Unknown, maybe it was just over discharged. And I saw in the internet that even in these days this battery new prices kind of $350, I think. So I am not sure if it is worth to pay such money, and after 4 years it goes bad, or maybe it was used wrong, but it's huge money and didn't lasted very long. I tried to charge this battery with different chargers, with different pulses, even with my own custom made charger for lithium batteries, but no, zero response. So I decided to open it, and in order to open I have used this blade. This groove was very small. I was putting this blade into the very small tiny groove and beating with the hammer, and I did it all around the battery and started to see that it moves to the top, and step by step I have opened it, and it opened it quite well without damage. The groove looks good. It was glued, but the glue were not strong, so it opened it quite well. And what is inside? And here it is. Inside you see lithium NLP20 pack, and the PCB looks like this. I'll try to show. Kind of 6 powerful MOSFETs with big heatsinks like here. Some small parts, SMD. There you can see some chip down there, and good plus and minus wires. And this is how I am charging each individual cell. I'm applying 2.5 volts and 200 milliamps. So I need to do it 4 times because there is 4 cells in this battery. Okay, charging of individual cells completed. Let's try to check voltages. Okay, 1.8, 2.3, 2.2, 2.5. So this is not good, but still let's try to plug it to the battery and charge it in a regular way, and later we will see if cells will be balanced or we will need to charge them separately again. Let's try. And what we have on the output, it's 7 volts. Okay, let's try connect charger. Okay, we have 14 volts on the power supply and 200 milliamps limit. Let's connect. And yes, I see that battery takes the charge. We're sitting on the limit, 200 milliamps. Let's increase it to 500 milliamps. There is no rush, so I will leave it on 500 milliamps, and we will see later if battery will get charged and if cells will be balanced. Okay, it's already around 12 hours charging on 0.5 amps, and we see that it still doesn't fully charged, so probably I will increase current and wait a little more. I increased the voltage to 14.3 volts and now it is fully charged. Let's check if cells are balanced or not. And let's test cells. 3.58, 3.6, 3.6 and 3.6. Looks kind of good. Let's consider that it is balanced. Okay, here I have such strange device. This custom build, it measures discharge capacity and cutoffs discharge at a set limit. So I set minimum limit 10.1 volt, and I connected load to halogen lamps, so it will be kind of, load will be about 25, maybe 30 watts. Those lamps connected in series. So, and the battery is fully charged. We can see or may not see the voltage of the battery, 14.5. It is not very accurate. The battery in reality has 14.3 volts, but let's test. Okay, and the lights are on. We see voltage dropped, but it still holds 13.4 volts, which is good. It takes 3.7 amps, and the power, it shows 49 watts. And let's leave it for a while. So we have 1 hour and 13 minutes. Voltage dropped to 12.9 volts, and the power is 43 watts, and the capacity is already 4220 milliamperes, which is already quite good. Okay, and the test is completed. It took 1 hour 56 minutes, and capacity shown is 6597 milliampere hours, which is kind of close to the rated capacity. So let's consider this battery as working. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye.